All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here, and today we've got a G-Shock to unbox. Super excited. I was looking for another square G-Shock to add to the collection, and I came across this one the other day on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below where I got this watch, but let's go ahead and unbox it and check this one out. So it comes in your typical G-Shock boxing here. Go ahead and get this out of here. Now, I haven't even opened this one and looked at it or anything, so we are going to do that here on camera. Your G-Shock box, as you would expect, your little metal tin there, looking good. And there you go. Pretty cool. And go ahead and get this off. And inside of here, we're going to have our little foam piece. We're going to have our warranty card and information. And here we go, guys. This is the DW5600. And I think this is the SC-2. So this is in their special color models. I think they're calling these the youth culture models. There's this blue with the white writing, there's a pink one, and then there's a white one, or kind of a grayish colored one that has some multicolored writing on it for the G-Shock and the protection. But super cool watch. I mean, just a basic DW5600. Really, the only difference on this one is the colorways that they're using. This is a special colorway, and I really think they're pretty cool looking watches. I wanted another DW5600. Now, that is the retail price is $99, but you can find these for right around $70 on Amazon. So like I said, I'll leave a link down below in the description to these, but really nice looking watch. I mean, your typical blue, resin band. Show you the case back here. Everything you want to know about a Casio G-Shock. I mean, what's great about these is you have 200 meters of water resistance. I mean, they just last there, and it's a classic. It's in that classic styling. So let's go ahead and roll through here. We've got our your standard time here on this module. I think this is a very basic 5600 module, but we'll go ahead and roll through here. You've got your alarm there. I'm not sure how many alarms we have. That's our backlight. Let's see. This has probably just got a single alarm on it. So there I'm going through with this top button. You can see I've turned the alarm on. I've got the alarm and the chime on. I've got everything off. Now you can just leave the chime on if you want the watch to beep on the hour and the half an hour. I think it is. I think it's on the hour. So I'll shut all that off. I think this has just got a single alarm from what I can tell there. Then go ahead and roll through our modes. You've got your timer, and this timer you can track timing from 1 second, you can time 1 minute, you can time up to 24 hours total on the timer mode. You've got a stopwatch. With the stopwatch, you do have split mode. So let's see, no, again, there you go with the light again, Dunlap. So go ahead and start it, stop it. So you can do split timing. Pretty cool there. And I think with the reset button up here, this is where you're going to do the reset on that. I'm pretty sure. There we go. Yeah, push it a little bit harder there. So it's a very basic, module, but it's really all you need in the DW5600. I don't need a whole lot in these watches. The backlight on these is really cool, and you get that afterglow. I was pushing it the whole time. Very nice and bright. I mean, it's going to last you a long time. I don't know if this one has auto EL. A lot of times, I don't think on the basic module it does. No. A lot of times, if you hold that down, it will actually, you'll have the auto EL pop up there. So this is just very basic. 2-year battery life on these modules. Like I said, 200 meters of water resistance. But it's just really a fun watch. I wanted another summer watch. I'm doing a lot of mountain bike riding and hiking and whatnot this summer. And having a Casio on your wrist is just, you forget they're even there. And the G-Shocks are super tough. You're not going to damage this watch. And it's a fun watch. It's just a great colorway. What I really like about this one too is I have the Casio Oak, the all red Casio Oak, and I love that watch. But legibility isn't the greatest. It's not just to flip it on your wrist, check the time on it. I also have the negative display, the DW5600 with the, I don't even think it's a DW, it's a G something, but it's got all the satellite technology or the radio frequency technology and everything like that. But again, with that negative display, it's kind of tough to read. So I really think these just basic DW5600s are a lot of fun. But nice watch. Let's go ahead and put it on the wrist, and then I'll dim the lights and we'll check out the afterglow with the lights down. Okay, so Casios are, they're lightweight watches, but they're definitely not small watches. I think this is considered a 43 millimeter case from side to side. I don't do lug to lug or anything like that on a Casio. Most people know what the DW5600 feels like on the wrist. It feels really, really nice. This blue colorway, I think it's a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of fun to wear this summer. I'm going to spend some time on the lake and everything. I think it's just a fun looking watch. I've been wearing this constantly while I'm doing a lot of mountain biking and whatnot, and I love this little watch. This is the, I did a review on this one recently. This is the W800H. These are like $15. I'll leave a link to this one also on Amazon, because that's another favorite Casio in the collection. But this one looks really, really nice. So let's dim the lights and check out that backlight in the, or that auto EL. Is that auto EL? Or I think it's just, yeah, it's auto electroluminescence, or is it backlight? I don't know. Let's check out the lights in the dark. Right, so with the lights down, you'll be able to really see how bright this is. So super, super bright. It's funny, and it matches the watch almost perfectly, huh? When it glows like that. That's pretty neat. The blue to match the watch. I like that. All right, guys, the G-Shock DW5600SC-2. This is in the new youth culture series. Pretty cool colorway. So good looking watch, guys. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. Thanks, guys.